Instant digital fecals from Parasight System.
The Parasight System All-in-One is an AI-powered countertop lab for your clinic. This tutorial provides an overview of how to perform a fecal using the All-in-One. To begin, you will need a single-use fecal analysis kit. The fecal test kit contains a pre-filled centrifuge vial, a sample filter cylinder, and a single-use egg chamber. We will demonstrate how to perform a fecal test with both a 1 gram and a loop sample. For a 1 gram sample, use the reusable coring tool to collect the sample. Eject the collected sample into the pre-filled centrifuge vial. Attach the cap to the vial and shake vigorously. Place the vial into a counterbalanced centrifuge and spin for 1 minute. The same process applies to a loop sample. Collect a fecal sample using a loop tool and add it directly into the pre-filled centrifuge vial. Swirl the loop tool within the vial to release the sample. Secure the cap tightly and shake vigorously. Place the vial into the centrifuge and spin for 1 minute. While the centrifuge is operating, go to the Start New Test screen. Select a patient from the available list or enter new patient data if needed. Select species and then select the test to be performed. When ready, select Start Test. Remove the existing egg chamber when prompted and then insert a new egg chamber. Remove the cap from the vial and insert the sample filter as shown. Attach the cap securely. You will see the filter has separated the sample for analysis. Pour the separated sample into the egg chamber. When ready, press Continue to analyze the sample. The on-screen prompts and progress meter describe the process of bleaching, washing, staining, and imaging the sample. When the process is complete, FecalSight AI technology displays the final results with a detailed fluorescent image highlighting parasites identified and counted. Results are displayed in less than 8 minutes from collection. Once displayed and reviewed, a treatment recommendation may be selected. Once selected, results are instantly sent to your clinic's Parasight portal and emailed to your client. Additionally, results are available as a PDF compatible with your PMS software. Parasight System All-in-One. Stop wasting time in your lab. Use FecalSight AI technology.